Hello children, so welcome back to another video tutorial. This is the practice MCQ series for chapter number 15, that is improvement in the food resources, and this for class 9. This is practice MCQ video part 2. We have already done with part 1 in which we have dealt with 10 questions. If you haven't watched that video, just go and watch it. And it is presented by me, Pooja Verma, your teacher. Okay, so let's get started. So before we begin, you need to follow certain rules that please use a sheet of paper and pen to answer these questions in an exam-like environment. If you have done it right, give yourself +1, and if you have done it wrong or unattempt any question, give yourself a 0. Children, listen very carefully to the explanation at the end of the video after attempting each questions, and don't forget to tell your marks in the comment section below along with your name. Okay, I hope these questions might give you an idea how to attempt MCQ type questions, that is objective questions. So let's get started. So the first question is, the breed of cattle are, and your options are A. Jersey, B. Shahiwal, C. Red Sindhi, and D. all of the above. Cattles. Children, यहाँ पे कैटल्स की ब्रीड के बारे में पूछा गया है. ठीक है, तो इनमें से कौन सा कैटल का ब्रीड है? ऑल ऑफ द अबव और रेड सिंधी, शाहीवाल, जर्सी, which one is the breed of the cattle? So take 3 to 4 seconds and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is all of the above. See, children, Gir, Shahiwal, Red Sindhi and Deoni, Jersey, all these are the breeds of the cattle. ठीक है, breeds को we have classified in 3 categories. It might be indigenous, it might be exotic, or it might be improved variety. Next question is, dash is the most popular breed of India and selected for poultry farming. ठीक है, poultry farming जिसमें हम फाउल को रियर करते हैं, उन्हें ब्रीड करवाते हैं. अब उसमें से you have to write which of these is the most popular one in India, and your options are A. Asil, B. Desi, C. Bushra, and D. none of the above. Take your time, this question is really important. Okay, most popular breed, that is indigenous breed, because breed of India, that we lives in India, obviously we are living in India, so indigenous जो हमें locally available रहती हैं breeds, उनके बारे में पूछा गया है, which are selected for the poultry farming. So go through the options and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option A, that is Asil. Children, Asil is the most popular poultry breed of India and mostly selected for the poultry farming. ठीक है? Next question is, dash is not a marine fish, and your options are A. Katla, B. Sardines, C. Mackerel, and D. Pomfret. Take your time, mark the right answer. Katla, sardines, mackerel and pomfret. And the correct answer for this question is option A, that is katla. See, katla is a variety of a fish, is a species, but it is not a marine fish. Okay, it is a freshwater fish. So keep this in mind that katla is not a marine fish, it is a freshwater fish. Next question is, what is the production and management of fish called as? ठीक है, and your options are A. aquaculture, B. breeding, C. pisciculture, and D. insemination. So production and management of fish is commonly termed as. Take your time and mark the right answer over here. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is pisciculture. Children, production and management of the fish is termed as pisciculture. Just like bee culture is termed as apiculture, beekeeping को हम apiculture कहेंगे. ठीक है? So pisciculture. Silk worm rearing, we call it as sericulture. ठीक है? So it is known as pisciculture. Next question is, Apis cerana indica is commonly known as, and your options are A, Indian bee, B, rock bee, C, little bee, and D, none of the above. See, Apis cerana indica, as the term over here is Apis, it's a species, it's a name of the honey bee. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे उसको कॉमनली क्या कहते हैं आपको वो मार्क करना है. इट्स इंडियन बी और रॉक बी, लिटिल बी और नन ऑफ द अबव. So, the correct answer for this question is option A, that is your Indian bee. Apis cerana indica, commonly known as Indian bee, and it is used for the commercial production of honey. Fine. Next question is, dash and dash are the main sources of nutrients supplied to the crops. And your options are A, micronutrients and fertilizers, B, manures and fertilizers, C, fertilizers and micronutrients, and D, macronutrients and micronutrients. So dash and dash are the main sources of nutrient supply. See, for a proper and effective growth, nutrients are very essential. Either we're talking about plant growth or we're talking about animal growth. So to the crops, matlab here we're talking about the plant growth. So take your time and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is micronutrients and macronutrients. See, the nutrients that is required in a small quantity is termed as micronutrient, and that is required relatively in a large quantity is termed as macronutrient. Next. 7th question is, Red Sindhi and Shahiwal are the breeds of, and your options are A, foreign cows, B, Indian cows, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Red Sindhi and Shahiwal. If you remember, we have already done this question earlier. So think quickly and mark the right answer. The correct answer for this question is option B, that is Indian cows. See, Red Sindhi and Shahiwal, these two are the breeds of Indian cows. Okay. Next question is, pulses gives us, and our options are A, proteins, B, fats, C, carbohydrates, and D, none of the above. This is quite a simple question. Pulses gives us what? Which type of nutrient we get from pulses? So the correct answer for this question is option A, that is protein, and we know very well proteins are the bodybuilding materials. Specifically, we get the good source of proteins are pulses. Okay. 9th question, pests and nematodes are dash factors that affect the crop production, and your options are A, biotic, B, abiotic, C, both A and B, and D, none of the above. Pest and nematodes that affects your crop production. So think about this and mark the right answer. So the correct answer for this question is option A, that is biotic factor, because these are the living organisms, microorganisms, causes or infect the crop production. Last question for this video. Bos indicus are the species of, and your options are A, American buffaloes, B, American cows, C, Indian buffaloes, and D, Indian cows. Bos indicus. If you remember the trick which I have told you to, it's like remember the species and the genus name, then you obviously get this correct, because Bos indicus, the term itself explaining that whether it is Indian breed or whether it's going to be the foreign breed. Okay, So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is Indian cow. Bos indicus is a variety, it's a breed of Indian cows. So children, these are the 10 questions which is like designed for this video. Don't forget to tell your score in the comment section below, and in case if you have any doubt with regarding these questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much children, and have an awesome day. God bless you all. Thank you.